Hello and welcome to the Daily News. I am Liam and this is Bitfrisk channel.
And I'm Attila and we are going to cover today's financial news. So without further ado, let's see what we have for tonight.
Very well, let's have a look at the headlines.
Binance market share at lowest point since the beginning of the year.
Gemini sues digital currency group and founder Barry Silbert, alleging fraud.
Twitter awarded 3 state money transmitter licenses.
Bitcoin miners racked $184 million in fees in Q2, surpassing all of 2022.
BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says Bitcoin could revolutionize finance. Binance market share at lowest point since the beginning of the year.
At the beginning of the new year, Binance's market share among exchanges that do not support US dollar has decreased from 72% to 58%. In exchanges that do not have direct US dollar trading pairs or have a low volume of US dollar trading pairs, Binance's market share has dropped from 72% at the beginning of the year 2023 to 58%.
The market share of KuCoin, which has recently implemented mandatory identity verification on its platform, has also decreased from 4.39% in June to 3.83% in the current month.
Gemini sues digital currency group and founder Barry Silbert, alleging fraud.
On Friday, Gemini initiated a lawsuit against digital currency group DCG, accusing the conglomerate and its founder Barry Silbert of engaging in fraudulent activities through DCG's subsidiary, Genesis. Gemini claims that Genesis held funds on behalf of Gemini, specifically related to companies' earned program, and alleges fraudulent behavior in their interactions with DCG.
In the past, Genesis had control over a portion of Gemini's funds, and the exchange's management is now seeking to recover their funds from digital currency group. Genesis had previously provided Gemini's digital currency as a loan to Three Arrows Capital, but due to suffered losses, Three Arrows Capital was forced to declare bankruptcy.
Twitter awarded 3 state money transmitter licenses.
Twitter has obtained financial regulatory approval from 3 U.S. states. New Hampshire, Michigan, and Missouri have approved Twitter's request to provide money transfer services, enabling the social media platform to expand its payment programs and other financial services in these regions.
The regulatory requirements for these money transfer services may vary when it comes to transferring funds between states, but in general, they allow companies to offer services for sending, receiving, and transferring money to their customers at both national and international levels. Additionally, these licenses permit companies to engage in currency exchange activities, such as exchanging foreign currencies with the US dollar and issuing credit cards.
Bitcoin miners racked $184 million in fees in Q2, surpassing all of 2022.
In the second quarter of 2023, the income generated from Bitcoin miners' transaction fees has experienced a growth of 270%. According to the report by Coinmetrics platform, miners have earned approximately $184 million in income from Bitcoin transaction fees during the second quarter of 2023, surpassing their total income in 2022.
This report indicates that this income has grown by more than 270% compared to the first quarter of 2023, and it is the first quarter since the second quarter of 2021, where the income from miners' fees has exceeded the $100 million mark. Coinmetrics states that the reason for the increase are the recent rise in Bitcoin's price and the utilization of the BRC20 standard for the token multiplication within this blockchain.
BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says Bitcoin could revolutionize finance.
Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, stated in an interview with Fox Business on Thursday that Bitcoin can revolutionize the financial sector. He explained, "We do believe that if we can create more tokenization of assets and securities, that's what Bitcoin is, it could revolutionize finance." Fink, who was previously known as the skeptic of digital currencies, held the belief a few years ago that supporters of these assets were using them for illicit activities.
He added instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country or the devaluation of your currency whatever country you are in. Let's be clear. Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency, and so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
And if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Have a good time.
Have a good time.